Morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all. Welcome to our maths class. How are you all?
I'm fine. Thank you, ma'am. How are you,
Fine.
ma'am?
Okay, I am also fine, my dears. Thank you so much. So, have you all remembered the last day's portion we studied? What was that?
Clock.
Clock. Yes.
Dog.
And now you all know how to check the time, right?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
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 Okay. Very good. So, let me ask you some questions. Are you ready to tell the answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, listen. My first question for Daksharatish, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first question, the long hand of the clock is called dash. The long hand. What we will call the long hand? The long hand is called minute hand. Very good, very good. Correct answer. Very good. Okay. The next question for Ayan. Ayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my second question, what is the face of the clock is called? Face of the clock. What is that? Face of the clock is called DIAL. What is that? DIAL. It is dial. Ayan? Yes, dial. It is dial. 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 The face of the clock is called dial. Okay, how to study this? Understood, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then my next question for Aaron Paul. Aaron, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please tell me the answer of the short hand of a clock. The short hand of a clock is called dash. What is the answer? The short hand. What is that?
Middle.
Huh?
Middle hand.
Short hand
Middle
is
hand.
called our hand. Okay, Aaron? Our hand. The short hand of a clock is called our hand. Okay? Yes. Okay. So today, let me share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
So please listen. So here you can see the time. Evelyn, what is the time here?
3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock. Correct answer. Where is the long hand? The minute hand is on which number? 12. And what about the hour hand?
3
On
o'clock.
3. So the time is 3 o'clock. Very good. Correct answer. Then the next question for Agnes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will show you. I will draw the hands of the clock. You have to tell me the time. Okay. Here you can see a clock without hands. So now I will draw the hands. Agnes, you have to tell me the time, what time it is.
8 o'clock.
What is the time now?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Very good. Now the time you can see the hour hand is on which number? 8. So the time is 8 o'clock and you can see the minute hand will be always facing on the number 12. Okay, very good, Agnes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. The next question for Neva. Neva, I'm going to draw the hands. The long hand, the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 2. What is the time?
2 o'clock.
Yes, it's 2 o'clock. Okay, very good. Correct answer. Adityan, please unmute. The next time it is. Can you tell the time?
Yes.
What is the time now? What is the long hand? Long hand is on 12. And what about the hour? It is on which number? 6. Isn't it? Which number it is facing? The hour hand is on 6. So the time is 6 o'clock. Okay. The time is 6 o'clock. Very good. The next question for Anna Rose. Anna, ready?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm going to draw the hands. The minute hand is on 12. The hour hand is also 12. Can you tell the time?
12 o'clock.
Yes, now the time is 12 o'clock. You can see both the hands are on 12. Okay, so now the time is 12 o'clock. Very good, correct answer. So I think everyone understood how to read the time, isn't it? Now all of you please take your notebook, textbook, not notebook. Please take your textbook, page number 12. Please take your textbook, page number 12. You can see different clocks are there, isn't it? You can see the clocks are there without hands. Only the first clock is there, hands are there. Only for the first clock, hands you can see. All the clocks, there are no hands. So what we have to do, we have to draw the hands and the time is given there, isn't it? The time is given there. So the first one is 2 o'clock. So the 2 o'clock, it is already given the hands. Page number 12. Textbook page number 12. Please take your pencil. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Now the first one is,
Write it.
yes, we have to, we are going to draw the hands for this clocks. Okay,
ma'am.
so the first one is there, no need to do anything. It's already given there, 2 o'clock. So the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 12. So now no need to do anything there. Look at the next question, question number B. What is the time? What it is written? 12 o'clock. So where we have to draw the hands? Facing on, minute hand is on. Yes, both the hands you can draw facing on which number? 12. Okay, so please draw it. Both the hands you have to draw on the number 12. You have to draw the hands pointing to which number? 12.
12.
Okay. Now the time is 12 o'clock. Then question number C, the time is 10 o'clock. Okay, so the time is 10 o'clock. We have to draw the minute hand facing on which number? Minute hand, that is our long hand. Long hand is on which number? 12. What about the hour hand?
10 o'clock.
Yes, 10. It is on 10. Pointing to 10, you can draw the hour hand. So when you are drawing, be careful. One hand should be long, one hand should be short. And down also you can see some more questions. So you have to do it after this class. Okay, try to draw the hands of the clock after this class. No need to do it now. Now we are going to study how to draw the clock. So these two questions, I think you all understood how to draw the hands of the clock, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now all of you close your book. After doing this question number B and C, close your book and listen.
Finish.
Okay. Listen carefully. Now, no need to take the book, close your book and listen to me carefully. I'm going to explain how to draw the clock. Okay. So here you can see, for drawing the clock, first what we have to do? We have to draw a circle, isn't it? Now, no need to draw the circle. All have to look here carefully. Please listen carefully, okay? After that, we will do it. So now you can see one circle here. So for drawing the clock, first we have to draw a circle. Okay. After that, we have to put a point in the center of the circle. Center, we have to put a point. Okay. Then after that, we have to mark 4 numbers first. Okay. First, we have to mark 4 numbers. So here in this points, correct top straight, you have to draw a small line like this. And this points correct down, you have to mark again one more small line. Understood? This points correct top and down. Then we have to go to the sides. This points correct right side straight, you have to mark a small line. And this points correct left side also, one mark should be there. So now we marked 4 lines. Have you all understood? Top, down, right, and left. Okay. So all listen carefully. No need to do anything now. Hold your hands and listen. Sit straight. Everyone sit straight. Okay. Now what you understood? First we have to draw a circle. After that, put a point in the center. And we marked 4 small lines. Where it is? How to draw that? Like this it will come. This points correct it will come. This points correct top here, down here, right side here, left side here. Okay. Like this way we have to mark it. And we have to mark the numbers. We have to write the numbers. First top number is 12. Down number it will come 6. Right side number it is 3. And left side number it will come 9. Okay. So first we have to mark these numbers on the clock. Understood? After this, we have to go to the next numbers. For that, have you all noticed that in our clock, you can see all the numbers are arranged in a proper distance. Isn't it? It is equally arranged. So for that, we have to mark the numbers with equal distance. So 12 and 3's middle, you can see some line, some space are there, isn't it? So this space, you have to mark 2 lines with proper distance. Okay, understood? There should be proper distance between 12 and 3. So you have to mark 2 lines here. And after that, 3 and 6 middle. 3 and 6 middle, we have to mark 2 more lines with equal distance. Okay. Again, after that, 6 and 9's middle, we have to mark again 2 more lines with equal distance. Last, 9 and 12's middle, we have to mark 2 lines with equal distance. After that, we can mark the numbers 1, 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you see everyone. I think somebody is drawing. Now no need to write anything. Hiba, what you're doing there? Listen here properly. Now you can see, children, listen here. You can see in this circle, we arranged the numbers equal distance, isn't it? We arranged it equally. Proper space is there in between the numbers. So like this way, you have to draw when you are doing in the notebook. Understood the way how to draw the clock? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, and, okay, now listen, and the time, what is the time given? According to that, we have to draw the hands of the clock. Okay, so now here, if the time is 7 o'clock, how to draw the hands here? So the long hand is on 12. Yes, and the hour hand is on 7. Okay. Yes. Understood everyone how to draw?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, now it is 7 o'clock. So you do one thing. Now everyone understood how to draw the clock. So all of you, please open your notebook. We are going to draw the clock in the notebook. So please take your notebook. Open the notebook, everyone. And
new page.
take a new page. And write today's date. Write today's date. Today it is 17/11/2021. And give the heading time. TIME.
Same place.
It's okay. We have to draw the clock. So please take a new page.
Okay, ma'am.
And after writing this heading, you have to draw a circle using your bangle or whatever you are using. You can use that and draw a circle.
Ma'am, you can see the board.
What happened? It will come. Wait a minute. Draw the circle neatly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the heading.
Heading is time. TIME.
Heading right.
Yes, you have to write it. After that only you have to draw the clock. What, my dear? Huh?
Ma'am, a clock is not coming. The euro.
Yes, I draw only the circle.
Yeah, the circle is not coming and the heading too.
Maybe the network issue, Kritika. You wait a minute. It will come.
Okay. Oh.
Then after this, you have to put a point in the center of the circle. Put a point in the center of the circle. Then what we have to do next? We have to mark first 4 numbers. So this points correct top.
See this board. I cannot see this board.
I will share it again.
Blackboard.
I will share it once again. Please wait a minute. Okay. Then please mark the lines top, down, right side and left side. And write the numbers. Top number is 12. Down 6. Here 3 and here 9.
And write the hands.
No. Now we are marking the numbers. Marking the numbers. After that only hands it will come. Joanna Rose. Then after marking this, what we have to do next? 12 and 3 is middle.
Joanna Rose, late and come.
Okay. Please start writing. Now 12 and 3 is middle. You have to mark 2 lines with equal distance. Then 3 and 6 middle. 2 small lines. Yes, my dear.
We have to draw the circle from the bangle.
Yes.
Okay.
Then 6 and 9's middle. Like this. Draw one small line. Then we have to write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And next I'm going to draw the hands of the clock. So the long hand, minute hand is on the number 12. Minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 9. What is the time?
9 o'clock.
Yes, it's 9 o'clock now. Yes.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, he completed.
Okay.
The complete. Ma'am, Sripadi completed.
I told you, no need to tell this like this. Completed, completed. Those who have completed, please wait a minute. Will
Okay,
everyone
ma'am.
complete?
Okay, ma'am.
And we have to write some points also after this. Down we have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next one point is
The clock.
down. The next line you have to write.
The clock. The clock. Face of the clock is
No. This first point is
long point. Long hand. The clock point.
a clock. A clock has
A clock. See now.
two hands.
Hand. The clock has.
Clock has two hands.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Wait a minute. It will come now.
2 hands.
Some are facing the network issue. That's why.
DS. 8 minutes and. Ma'am, I cannot see. 2.
My dear, here no problem. Here this it is okay, and some are writing from the screen. Maybe you're facing the network issue. That's why. Wait a minute. It's okay. I will send to the group also. Okay. If you can't see now, I will send the notes in the group. So that time you please copy. The first point is a clock has two hands. And the second point is
A clock has 2 hands.
the short hand
The short S-H-O.
the short hand shows what the short hand shows. The short hand shows the hours. Hours. Okay. The short hand shows the hours.
Our hands.
And is called and is called hour hand. Underline the word hour hand, HOURHAND, hour hand.
Ma'am,
Yes,
spelling of show.
SHOWS.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who is in this name? Muhammad Rushan.
Muhammad Faisal.
Muhammad Faisan. Okay.
Muhammad Faisal.
Okay, okay, understood.
Absent. Muhammad Faisal.
Okay, understood, understood.
Ayyapadas. Ayyapadas.
Ayyapadas.
No.
Ayyapadas is there? Is he present?
No. No. Ayyapadas is absent. Ayyapadas is absent.
Okay, okay, please write. Please write, everyone. The next point is please write the next point is the long hand. The long hand shows what will be the long hand shows? Minutes, isn't it? The long hand shows the minutes and is called minute hand. And underline the word minute hand. The long hand shows the minutes and is called minute hand.
Ma'am, I cannot see third point.
It will come. Wait a minute. It will come. Wait a minute. And one more point is the last point. What is that? We wrote about hour hand, minute hand. One more sentence is there. That is about, yes, the face of the clock is called dial. Please write the next point. The face of the clock
face of the
clock is called dial.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Wait a minute.
The
Here everything is okay.
The face
The face of the clock is
clock
called
is
dial.
called.
Okay,
Dial
listen,
I
children.
cannot see.
Now let me call your names. Some names I didn't see here. Ananda Padmanabhan is present or not? Ananda Padmanabhan. If you're present, please tell me, okay, when I'm calling the names. Ayyappa Das.
No.
Badra. Efron Liju. Isabel Lily. Joanna Joshi. Rudraksh A. Nair. Rudraksh. Sri Parvati. Okay, Sri Parvati is present. Okay. The others are absent, right? Ananda Padmanabhan is absent. Ayyappa Das absent. Badra absent. Efron.
I am present.
Listen. I have noted the names. Only these are absentees. Okay. That's why I'm calling the names. Ananda Padmanabhan, Ayyappa Das, Badra, Efron, Isabel, Joanna Joshi, and Rudraksh. Only these are the absentees today. Others all are present. Okay. So here today you have an activity. What do you have to do? You have to make a clock. Okay. You can use chart paper or you can use paper plates. Paper plates are there, no? Some
A4 sheet.
A4 sheet also you can.
A4 sheet or two line.
Yes. So listen. Using that, you have to make a clock. Some home it is the paper plates are there, no? You can use that. And you can use straw for. Yes. Listen what I am telling. Please listen, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This is your activity. So for the next class, all should make a clock and show to me in the next class. Okay. You can use chart paper or paper plates or anything.
Write this sentence.
Brown paper.
No need to write in sentence. You have to make a clock.
This sentence.
Make a clock from bangles.
Bangles we use only for drawing the circle. Isn't it?
Round paper.
Ma'am, write this sentence.
I will send the message in the group. Okay.
Ma'am, write the sentence.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hiba.
or A4 sheet.
Anything you can take. Your own choice. Okay.
Okay.
So now it's the time to wind up our session. So I hope it's clear to you. Okay. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next class.
Bye.